Massive progress is happening right now inside the stadium, and the structure is getting very close to completion. From the rapid installation of compression ring segments to the final shaping of the third tier, every section is moving forward at the same time. Cranes are lifting, workers are assembling key elements, and new facade panels are transforming the stadium's appearance. But here's the important part. While some areas are already entering the finishing phase, others are still preparing for major structural work. So let's get straight into today's update. The compression ring continues making outstanding progress around the stadium, with the roof structure now becoming more visible and complete day by day. As more compression ring segments are installed, the future shape of the massive roof is finally starting to take form, creating one of the most spectacular visual transformations seen so far at the stadium. One of yesterday's biggest developments was the installation of a new radial beam together with another flange box element, further strengthening the expanding roof structure and pushing the project closer to its next major milestone. Another compression ring segment was also successfully installed, bringing the total number of completed units to approximately 29. With heavy lifting operations and structural assembly continuing simultaneously, this section of the project is rapidly becoming one of the most impressive engineering achievements across the entire stadium transformation. Inside the press room, development is continuing rapidly, with the main structural layout already established. Corridors, technical rooms, and seating areas are beginning to take shape, while cable routing and system installations continue throughout the interior. Despite the visible progress, finishing work, especially wiring, fixtures, and final detailing, will still require significant time before completion. The third tier continues making excellent progress, with workers actively advancing stair alignment, structural adjustments, and finishing preparations across multiple sections of the upper bowl. More areas are now looking cleaner, more complete, and better aligned than before. As work continues simultaneously across the structure, the transformation of the upper tier is becoming increasingly impressive from every angle of the stadium. The cantilever levels are also progressing with clear functional separation between each zone. The VIP level is structurally advanced and is now moving into interior finishing work, while the second level for general spectators is nearing structural readiness. Meanwhile, the upper cantilever level remains focused mainly on logistical operations, with ongoing preparation work still underway. Each level is developing according to its specific role, with structural integration and service installations continuing simultaneously across the stadium. One of the most impressive changes right now is happening on the stadium facade. Ceramic llama installation has suddenly accelerated across the lateral section. Large, new red-colored llamas were installed today, extending the facade much further than it was only a couple of days ago. Workers were actively lifting and positioning additional panels while specialized platforms operated non-stop around the structure. The contrast between the completed sections and the exposed steel framework already gives fans a glimpse of how spectacular the finished exterior will eventually look. Work around the Norte is progressing quickly, especially across the exterior facade areas where the remaining llama installations are being prepared. Elevated platforms are actively working across the gaps between sectors, focusing on anchor points and alignment guides for the next panels. This section is now looking significantly more complete, similar to progress already seen on the lateral side of the stadium. Alignment and support preparation are continuing together, indicating that new llamas could start appearing very soon in this area. At the same time, finishing work on rear structural elements is also ongoing, including treatment and painting of bolts and steel connections, ensuring everything is ready for the next phase of facade installation. Work in the middle section of the Norte is progressing steadily, where crews are actively installing connection points for the black steel beams that will later support the facade sandwich panels. These elements are gradually defining the structural framework that will shape the final exterior appearance of this section. In the front area, the false ceiling structure is already significantly advanced, showing a clear angled formation as it moves closer to completion. Meanwhile, in the central zone, multiple steel brackets and support connections are now firmly in place, highlighting clear structural advancement and preparation for the next installation phase. Work continues in the Goal Nord corner, where an elevated platform is actively operating as crews carry out precise measurements and alignment checks for upcoming structural elements. It appears that new connecting pieces may be prepared for vertical joints, while teams review plans to ensure correct placement of components. Much of the surrounding support structure is already quite advanced, although some sections still require additional tube installations and final adjustments before full completion. In the upper area, a crane is lifting a new beam intended for the internal core zone, where lifts, stairs, and access systems will later be integrated. Overall, the corner area is steadily progressing, with structural assembly and installation work continuing in parallel as the stadium moves closer to its final form. And at the end of today's video, we're going to take a look at something almost nobody expected to see this early, inside the first team locker room. Images circulating this week show how advanced it already is, with plush seating in the club's deep maroon color, mounted TV screens across multiple areas, and a layout that looks surprisingly close to completion. Even the pool area is visible in the background. These are not renders. This is real footage from inside the building. Perhaps the most impressive part of today's update is simply how different Camp Nou already feels visually. The compression ring now stretches across large portions of the stadium. Facade installation is finally becoming continuous in several areas, and the third tier keeps evolving higher above the structure. Even longtime visitors who see the stadium every day continue saying the same thing. The transformation now feels truly massive. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Barcelona construction content. Stay connected with us for all the latest updates from Camp Nou. In the next video, we'll take you behind the scenes with even more exclusive progress, so make sure you don't miss it.